Hey, this is Paul with Grilling Montana. I'm here in Las Vegas, Nevada with Blackstone, cooking up this wonderful chopped cheese sandwich. This chopped cheese sandwich is super easy to make and it's delicious. The first step is we're gonna saute our onions in a little bit of oil on the griddle. From there, we're gonna put our beef down, let that cook for about 15-20 seconds, and then we're gonna season it. You wanna make sure to chop it up into real small pieces and top it off with some of that melty American cheese. Pour a little bit of water on the mixture and cover it up with your Blackstone dome so the cheese will melt real nice. One trick I like to do is wrap up this sandwich in parchment paper, nice and tight like a burrito, and then slice it in half. It helps keep all the gooey cheese inside and keeps your hands from getting messy. This is Paul from GrillingMontana.com, and I hope you have as much fun making this recipe as I do.
I'm about to eat it. It smells delicious. If you want this recipe and a lot more, visit us at blackstoneproducts.com.